Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. How many of you love Black Forest cake? Today I'm going to show you a super easy version of this, a mini Black Forest pound cake. Before moving on to the recipe, click the red subscribe button if you have not subscribed to Grey Pot and click the bell icon to get all new updates and notifications from our channel. First, into a bowl, add in some dark chocolate with some coffee powder and some hot milk. Mix till the chocolate gets melted and keep it aside to cool it down. Into a large bowl, add 2 eggs with some vanilla essence and blend it till it becomes frothy. Then add some powdered sugar, blend it again till it becomes creamy and slightly changes its color. Now add some flavorless oil and the chocolate mix. Blend it again. Now let's start adding the dry ingredients. So sift in some flour, cocoa powder, baking powder and baking soda. Blend it and combine it well. Don't forget to scrape down the sides and mix it really well. You can also add in some chopped cherry. Now here I pour this batter into a loaf tin. Now bake this in a 180-degree preheated oven for 30 minutes. Insert a toothpick and see if it comes out clean, then your cake is ready. Transfer that onto a wire rack and allow it to cool down completely. Just to level the cake, I cut down the top portion from it. Let's start the final touches for the Black Forest cake. Add some whipped cream on top. Then I added some chocolate curls with some beautiful red cherries. And here it is. Our soft and moist Black Forest pound cake is ready. The chocolate cake with cream, chocolate and cherries, it's just amazing. So do try it out. Leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot and watch more amazing videos from our channel. Thank you.